Day 93 of AI blogging. We are at 12,000 impressions over the last 92 days. This is Saturday, July 15th here inside of Google Search Console, the last impressions that we see. Of course, it's a day behind. This is day 16, or this is July 16th. And this is day 93 of our time together. Using tools like RankIQ, we have these last 4 keywords that we're going after, and we are creating the content inside of KoalaWriter. We have decided to use bulk mode, but I do have a note that I want to add from what has happened here. When you click on the article queue, you're going to see that your article queue is paused because your usage limit has been exceeded. When your plan renews, then the queue will automatically start from where it left off. Articles in progress, 1. Down here, you're going to see this keyword that we were going after. You're going to see that the status is processing and it's still writing section 2. Now, we did get these 2 keywords completed, and I've added one of those already into Grooveblog, but this is new here for me where it stopped processing, or it stopped writing in the middle of the section and it's stuck there. And then this new message up here, your queue is paused because your usage limit has been exceeded. When your plan renews, then the queue will automatically start where it left off. So we'll go back to KoalaWriter, and if you scroll down, you're going to see that I've used 100,055 words out of my 100,000 that I have available. But we're going to go back to bulk mode, and it's going to, or I want to focus on this sentence right here, or this paragraph. If you run out of credits, then the articles will be paused until your credits reset or you purchase a new subscription. Now, if you remember, I said in yesterday's update that we could cheat a little bit, meaning that it would keep writing the article. Check this out right here where it states, if you run out of credits, then the articles will be paused until your credits reset or you purchase a new subscription. Articles that are in progress are granted up to 5,000 overage words to avoid stopping in the middle. That was back on day 29. You can see down here, that was day 29 of AI blogging when we were using bulk mode. And that's where I was saying that we could cheat a little bit and it would continue writing out that blog post. Well, this is no longer the case because, again, you can see here, if you run out of credits, then the articles will be paused until your credits reset or you purchase a new subscription. Then when you view your article queue, you're going to see this message that we have here. And hey, they changed it. So this article is not going to finish. It's not going to be processed until sometime in August. So we'll update that when that article finishes, because at the end of the day, even when the 100-day case study ends, the work still continues. So we'll add these articles in. But for now, what we'll do is we will add these 2 articles here, starting with this first keyword that you see here. I've already put it over in Grooveblog. You can see the draft right here. And you can see I have the article in here. I've started the format process. But when you get down toward the bottom or right here, you're going to see these little about blank and these little footnote annotations. I decided to just add a footnote section down here at the bottom, which I absolutely do not like. So I'm going to use these references, bring those back up to the top. You can also see a section here where it just uses the word source. So we'll need to fix those because or we've seen in the past that we don't get indexed if we leave those poor, rich anchor text in place, like when you use the word source or you don't give it enough thought. So I have updated the blog post tracker. You can see the post was written by Koala Bulk GPT-4. And of course, it was from RankIQ. We do have the report. We'll go ahead and get the RankIQ score in. And to do that, we can simply just copy this, or we can copy everything from here inside of Grooveblog. Or better yet, we can go back to the article queue. We can click view, and then we can view the article here inside of Koala, and we can just click copy here. We'll go back into RankIQ, and for this keyword, we'll click on optimize. It'll bring up the content optimizer. We'll simply paste in our content, and you can see that we have a grade of B. We exceeded the number of words that we need as far as a word count. But if you come over here to our keywords or the topics or the extra entities or topics that Google likes to see, we have quite a few that are unused. So we can use ChatGPT to write the conclusion. Because if you'll notice here in this article, when it gets down towards the bottom, there is a conclusion, but it's kind of thin. And then it goes into the frequently asked questions. I'll actually move the frequently asked questions above the conclusion, and then I'll add all these keywords in the conclusion, and I'll have ChatGPT do that. And that's one of the things about having the tools, all the different tools, whether it be AI tools, whether it be Rank IQ, whether it be one of the tools that we've looked at, the free tools, or buying a subscription to actually evaluate the status of your SEO or do SEO research for you or help you understand what your competition is doing. You have to take all of these tools, combine them together, and understand the limitations and what a tool is good at and what another tool can help you or add on to what you're trying to accomplish. And that, again, is part of this case study, understanding and learning all the different tools, their limitations, their value they bring to us as a blogger or as a content creator, specifically as a content creator that is doing affiliate marketing, or as an affiliate marketer using the strategy of content marketing, which is effectively what a blog is, to put out information out there that solves a problem for people or let people find information they're looking for. And then as you help them with your useful information, then you provide your link, your affiliate link, out to a product or service that helps them ultimately solve their problem. And again, that's what this case study is about. If you're having fun, you're enjoying what we've been doing, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think so far. And I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's update. Bye.